Grandma's funeral. Last week, our family gathered for a very sad occasion. Grandma's funeral. She was a kind and loving woman who always took care of us. Losing her was painful, but we came together to honor her life. At the funeral, many people shared stories about Grandma. They talked about how she helped neighbors, cooked the best meals, and always had wise advice. Listening to these stories made me realize how much she meant to everyone. After the ceremony, we visited her favorite garden. It was peaceful, and I could almost feel her presence. I picked a small flower and whispered, "I love you, Grandma." Even though she is no longer with us, I know she will always be in our hearts. Her kindness and love will never be forgotten.